Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to link to another sheet in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so as you can see here, we are on this copy of project management tab or sheet, and if we want to go to a project management sheet, so the original sheet, we can create a link so we are taken to that sheet. So as you can see here, if I hover over, I get this link, and if I click on that, I am taken to this project management sheet. So I can link another sheet in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So let me delete this one, and all you have to do is right click on the cell you want to insert the link to, and you will see the insert link option here. Or another option is to use a keyboard shortcut, which is Command K or Control key, and then as you can see, you can add the text you want to be visible to the link. So in this case, let's use the name of the sheet, which is project management. Then you can add your link here. It can be a hyperlink to a third-party website or another sheet. You can search spreadsheets here, so if you don't want to link to a sheet but to a sheet in another sheet, you can do that here. But if you want to link to this two sheets on this spreadsheet, what you have to do is click on Sheets and name the ranges here, and then as you can see, we can see all of our sheets of this spreadsheet. So in this case, we want to select project management, and as you can see, the link has been added, and if we click here, we are taken to our project management sheet. So now this is like a link another sheet in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.